Mask. In the time of COVID-19, it helps protect others from the virus. The mask brush allows us to mask what we do not want to damage by carving. Just press M and I'll come. The mask gives us the freedom to carve. M, 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 M. It allows you to hide something that prevents us from carving. The masked area can also be changed into face sets or group vertex. A mask is always useful.
To ask.
Mask. Of course M and you have mask. M on the keyboard. To use the mask, press M with the index finger of your right hand, M on the keyboard. To use the mask, press M with the index finger of your right hand.
Who asked?
Mask. You are doing a good job. Do you already remember?